Hello guys, it's Adolf here. I'm with my guest, Mothman, and in this video I will tell you how to fill Undertakers girlfriend application. The first thing you need to do is you need to change your account. As you can see, I changed my account to Adolf tutorials. Make sure it doesn't have like any beatbox in them or anything. Yeah, Mothman. And now, you're gonna put the name and ethnicity in the same one. So I'm gonna put Ava from Czech Republic. Yep, like this. That's my age. I'd like to say that my age is 15 years old because I know Undertaker, he's a little bit weird. So maybe we can catch him with the snatching kid. Alright, what country are we from? I just thought the Czech Republic is my favorite game. Reasons why you make the perfect girlfriend. Mothman, I need your help. What would be the reason why I'm the perfect girlfriend for Undertaker? Mothman, I need your help.
I'm bigger than cheese.
See now that is not good enough.
Cheese.
We need to make Undertaker appreciate Ava, 15 years old from Czech Republic. So I'm gonna say
that I am ready. Kind.
very kind.
With love. You also got an application from Google. I don't think you're gonna be tough.
Next up we got the question is, got any talent? Do we have any talent?
Beatbox.
Beatbox, no woman beatbox, so we cannot be doing that. Instead, she
want
will say
fire,
blowing,
what's that girl?
and singing. Because that's what women like, right? Women like doing that. As you can see,
yeah,
all of women beatboxers are just fucking singers. Like all of women beatboxers, most of them, they just sing. They don't beatbox.
Yeah, that's so true, man. Wow, yes, so true. Wow.
Oh my god, Julieta was so saucy because I just did a movie thing. Anyway, upload pictures of yourself by knowing real, no account. I'll upload one picture. Alright, got two pictures right here. In fact, I'm gonna say two pictures. Two pictures for confirmation that I'm not a catfish. And you can tell interesting things to this. What makes Ava stand out, right? So, Mothman, do you have any things that make Ava stand out? As the rest of the
15.
That is very true. However, I think most of the women he talks to are underage.
Oh yeah. I'm a girl.
I'm a girl. That is a good one. I'm also gonna say I'm an emo girl.
Put like some laughing emojis to like show that she has a bit of
dark humor.
A bit of dark humor.
I want a woman with some Reddit humor. Pick this up, please. Contact information like comments.
I think it's like April. Oh,
I think that's it, guys. So, we will update you if Undertaker comes to us. And this is how we apply to be Undertaker's girlfriend. So, if you wanna be Undertaker's girlfriend, you better watch this video one more time because I want some views, y'all feel me? Like the video, comment the video, subscribe to my channel, and that's it, baby. That's it. Johnny Gisman, aka Adam Tutorials, and Mothman signing out.
no!